Break 3753 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Saturday, November 7th, 2020. It's 12:48 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Friday, November 6th, 2020. It's 11:48 p.m. Central Time and 9:48 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Mike with 5, Detour 2, Midmo 3, Ravishing Rob 2, Kenny 3, BLF 1, MDK 3, King Vlad 2, Black T 1, Ron 5, Marty King 1, Dow 1, and Marty with 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. Mike's on top, Marty King on the bottom once, twice. We're going to randomize a total of 7 times. 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Has Ron on top and on the bottom. So Ron, you have the Hawks. Kenny with the Celtics, Mike with the Nets, Kenny with the Hornets, Ron with the Bulls, King Vlad Cavaliers, Dow with the Mavericks, Detour Nuggets, MDK with the Pistons, Midmo with the Warriors, Mike Rockets, Marty King Pacers, Mike Clippers, Ravishing Lakers, Detour Grizzlies, Midmo Heat Bucks, MDK Timberwolves, Mike with the Pelicans, Ron Knicks, King Vlad Thunder, Marty King Magic, Kenny with the 76ers, Mike Suns, Black T Trailblazers, Ravishing Rob with the Kings, BLF Spurs, Ron Raptors, MDK Jazz, and last but not least, Ron Bat with the Washington Wizards. So we're all sealed up, and whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Sealed on both ends. We have for the Chicago Bulls, we have an auto of Lauri Markkanen. Very nice, Chicago Bulls. Who has the Chicago Bulls? Prism auto is going to Ron Bat 46. Congrats on break 3753 in the 2019-20 P2J Sports Cards exclusive basketball edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the first bonus break spot in bonus 114, and then we're on to 3772 for the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Card Pack. Thanks!